Hello everyone, let us find the value of this integral, which is definite integral. Lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 4. Hence, integral from 2 to 4, integral of 1 upon 2x plus 3 integral with respect to x. Solution for this, let us represent given integral as I. Hence, I is equal to integral from 2 to 4, 1 upon 2x plus 3 dx. Hence, I is equal to logarithm of 2x plus 3 divided by 2 and its limits from 2 to 4. Applying formula integral of 1 upon ax plus b integral with respect to x is equal to logarithm of ax plus b divided by derivative of ax plus b with respect to x, that is a. Here, if we compare ax plus b with 2x plus 3, means ax plus b is equal to 2x plus 3, then a is 2 and b is constant term 3. Hence, given integral I is equal to, we can take 1 upon 2 outside the bracket, 1 upon 2 logarithm of 2x plus 3 and its limits from 2 to 4. First of all, substitute upper limit and then substitute lower limit. Means we are replacing x by upper limit first and then x by lower limit. Hence, I is equal to 1 upon 2 logarithm of 2 into 4 plus 3 minus logarithm of 2 into 2 plus 3. Hence, I is equal to 1 upon 2 logarithm of 2 into 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 11 minus logarithm of 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. Hence, I is equal to 1 upon 2 logarithm of 11 divided by 7. Since we know property of logarithm, logarithm of m minus logarithm of n is equal to logarithm of m upon n. Hence this one, and which is solution of given sum. Hence the answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.